Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to set 4-digit passcode in iPhone. So here's I'm locking my iPhone, and now to unlock my iPhone, as you can see, I have to enter my passcode. And here we can see by default, here we can see 6-digit passcode I used. So now I will show you how to create only 6-digit passcode for your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Verify your current passcode here. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. Verify your Face ID and then enter here your current passcode again. Once you successfully verified your current passcode, here you will jump into create new passcode page. Here tap on passcode options and here select 4-digit numeric code. Once you select it, now write here 4-digit passcode and just tap on use anyway, and your passcode will be changed with 4-digit. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.